Hey guys, what's going on? I hope you guys can see me. I'm gonna try to adjust my camera just a little bit so maybe you guys can see me, right? I wanna bring I wanna make some things clear for you guys. And my lighting's not that great. Maybe I can bring the screen down just a little. And I can't even do that. Okay, so hopefully you guys can see me. What's going on, World Wide Web? It's me, Marlon, Bennett, guys, in the day. I'm back. I'm back in this video to talk about funnel systems, right? Video funnels, the best lead capture page or page builder software that you can probably find anywhere. And so today I'm here specifically to go ahead and plug the HBA funnel builder because, guys, I can do a lot of different things with the HBA funnel builder. It's how I'm going to build my brand new membership sites. And I hardly ever talk about it. And so today I want to talk about it. I want to talk about the HBA funnel builder because the HBA funnel builder has been good to me in so many ways. And when you talk about funnel builders, you guys know I use Leasley, and it's a great funnel builder. But the HBA funnel builder is just as nice as the Leasley funnel builder. You can do the same thing with it. You can generate leads. And one of the things I really like about the HBA funnel builder, and you can do this with Leasley too, is with my HBA funnel builder, I'm able to integrate my get response email subscribers list with the HBA funnel builder. Now, you can use the HBA funnel builder to integrate Aweber. You can use Leasley and integrate it into your get response. You can mix and match them. But here's the biggest reason I really, well, gosh, I shouldn't say that. But here's one of the reasons why I really, like the HBA funnel builder. When I build my pages with the HBA funnel builder, guys, I can immediately start building multiple lists. But also, I don't have to worry about verification of the email as it's coming into my inbox, right? Like with Leasley and a lot of other contact management systems with the autoresponder, you have to get the email verification. Now, getting the email verification is a good thing in some ways because the person, obviously, they're going to verify the email if they want the bonuses or if they want what it is that you're marketing and promoting, right? But sometimes when a person doesn't have to go through that email verification, it allows you to build a list a lot faster, right? Because believe it or not, when people get on your list, they'll stay on your list for years and years and years and years unless they just really want to get off your list. Now, yes, with Get Response, you can get a free account with up to, I want to say, 1,500 subscribers. So it's free, but after 1,500 subscribers, you pay. As opposed to Leasley, you don't pay. No matter how many subscribers you get, you'll never go past that one set price point, right? So it's apples and oranges, right? But today I want to go over this page, and I want to show you guys a page or the type of pages I create. I'm going to move down a little bit. The type of pages I create with the HBA funnel builder. And I can't get my screen down, so I'm just going to try to stay up here in the corner. But anyway, you can create all kinds of cool pages, as you guys can see. And so in this page right here I created, it's just another lead capture page that I created for the digital 9-to-5 exit strategy. But unlike Leasley, people can come right in. I can take them directly to what I want them to take them to, and they will be on my list, right? And so when we talk about adding those bonuses and all that cool stuff, if you guys can see over here, I got a lot. I'm talking about the bonuses right here, over here on the right, and then I put a little picture in here. But you can do all kinds of cool stuff. Here's my email subscribers list right here, and when people opt into this list, they're gonna go over to the desired destination, wherever I want to send them to, and you guys can do the same thing. And so I like it because the other cool thing about the HBA funnel builder is you can arrange, and you can do it in Leasley too, but you can arrange your pages, right? Like as you create them, you can move them up or down. I'm going to run in there and show you guys real quick why You might want to be using the HBA funnel builder instead of Leads Leap, or like I do, in conjunction with Leads Leap, okay? Remember, it's apples and oranges when we talk about funnel builders, okay? But the sole purpose of a funnel builder, a good funnel builder, is to build funnel pages and to be able to build you an email subscribers list. Because when you can build yourself an email subscribers list, then the sky becomes the limit. Then you become the owner of your own email subscribers list, and you can go out and you can promote your own affiliate offers. You can create your own products and services, which is another one of those real cool benefits of the HBA funnel builder. I mean, the HBA funnel builder, I have never seen a platform quite like the HBA funnel. Let me just jump in here and show you guys something. I've never seen anything quite like it, to be honest, right? So let me go inside the HBA funnel builder, guys, and show you guys what I'm talking about, okay? So when I go inside my HBA funnel builder, I'm able to go to my pages. And remember, I told you guys all the pages that you create, you can list them. And if you wanted to move a page, if you just look to your left on your screen, and these are all the pages that I create. Oh, yeah, I'm a mad scientist. So I get crazy with these pages. But the point is, you can go inside and not only create pages, right, but you can move them. Like, let me go to the very bottom. Okay, let me go to the very bottom. I got lots and lots of pages. I'm building some really cool stuff that's going to be housed inside of 1 Million Ways to Market. And 1 Million Ways to Market, by the way, is open, guys. I'm still moving some things around. The 9-to-5 digital exit strategy is open, guys. I'm still moving some things around. You guys feel free to go over to either makemoneywithmarlon.com, 1 Million Ways to Market.com, and you can find those pages. You can find the digital 9-to-5 exit strategy within the 1 Million Ways to Market funnel, or either if you're in Make Money with Marlon, you can go from there and find the affiliate programs, and they loop back to 1 Million Ways to Market. So it's all cool. So watch this. So I'm going to come all the way down to my very last page. I literally got a lot of pages, guys. This is over 6 years of internet email marketing. So you guys bear with me for a minute, because let me go over that, because I want you guys to see this. Okay, so they're going to do digital exit strategy. That's not even the page that I was just on. I'm gonna click it. I wonder what that is. It's probably a little bit different. Okay, that's a different page, guys, I created for my exit strategy, the escape plan, right? But it's not the one that I want. That's not what I want to show you guys. What I want to show you guys is, so say that page at the very bottom. That's the one I just clicked on. But let's say I want to keep them in order, but let's say I want to move it up or move this one down. All the pages you create, you can just take them and you can click on this cog and you can just move it down. Right now that page comes down, or you can move this page down, and they're numbered. So it's an easy way to keep up with your pages as you're building your pages, because every page you create, you can house. And here's the other cool thing too that I have to talk about. There's no limit to the pages you can create, right? Like, you can just create page after page after page after page. So if you're inside of the HBA funnel builder and you wanted to create a page from scratch, guys, just like Leads Leap, there's a library. So follow me and come all the way over to the left hand side of your screen and come right all the way down to the bottom, and you'll see where it says add a new step, right? So I'm going to go to add a new step. I'm going to go to add a new step. You'll see it says page, pop up, and it says section labels. But I'm going to go to pages. I'm going to click pages, and it's going to open up that library. Just like, I'm down here now, guys. Just like Leads Leap, you have a library full of pages, if you will. I'm trying to get into a spot where you guys can kind of see what I'm talking about. Just page after page after page of lead capture. And these are just the lead capture pages. Now let's go from the lead capture page. Let's go to the thank you bridge pages. Same thing, right? You come down, you see all of these thank you bridge pages, guys. You're talking about building some really cool stuff. You can just do it, man, because you have everything. And then you got your links pages, and they have different font. They have different templates in here for all of them. Let's go to the About Us pages, guys. HBA Funnel Builder is a gold mine Okay, let's go to local business pages. I mean, anything that you want to create, anything, you can create it because you have the pages. And I'm sorry about where, the screen, guys, but I'm just saying, like, okay, let's see. Oh, there's so many things you can do. I'm gonna be doing other videos on the HBA funnel builder. I have to, guys, because it's so much, as you guys can see. You know what I mean? You got you got pre-built funnels inside of here, guys. Okay, funnels they're already built out, and so all you have to do when you're ready to create one is just go in. If you wanted to do one from scratch, you would come right down here to where it says where I went before, and you would just go to your pages, right? So that's super cool, right? So let me get out of this page because I don't need to be here. But now you guys probably know why I spend a lot of time creating, guys, because I really get carried away sometimes with the creative side of things. So like I said, you can go to your lead capture page. You can do all that cool stuff, right? So that's what I wanted to talk to you guys about the HBA funnel builder. And again, remember, you can create these pages just like that. And once you have them, then they're saved, right? And then you can number them. You can go in and change them. You can make some explosive pages, guys. You can make yourself some bridge pages from this page right here. You can just make yourself anything that you want, right? And so one of the things that's going to be inside of the Digital 9 to 5 Exit Strategy is what I call the JetPacked series. And so with the JetPacked series, guys, it'll be pages like this. Because you can't create these. You can create very similar pages in Leads Leak, but what I'm going to do is I want to make these pages available to people who don't want to go through the share code thing. They don't want to do it. Although you can use the HBA funnel, you can use share codes in HBA funnel builder too. But if you don't want to do none of that, which some people just don't want to do, which I can't, for the world of me, I can't figure out why. I guess just because I like creating. But let's say you wanted this page. You want this page. You like it, right? You're like, well, I saw that page. I really, really like it. Can I get it? Sure, you can get it, right? Inside of the JetPacked series, right? You'll be able to pick up these bridge pages, right? Now, if it's a lead capture page, guys, you can't connect it to your autoresponder unless you're a member of the HBA funnel. But I can create these bridge pages all day and all night. I can create as many as I want. And so, in JetPacked series, which you'll find inside of the Digital Exit Strategy, 9 to 5 Exit Strategy, it'll be pages like this. And at the very bottom, you'll see information down here. You can't read it, but it's down here, guys, okay? And if you want a page like this, all you have to do is contact me, and I'll create a page like this, and you guys can give me the links, right? You send me your links, the instructions down here, and I'll make this video. Now, this just happens to be an actual a lead capture page, but I have corresponding bridge pages like this. They don't have the email format, but they do, however, have the clickable buttons like watch this video. So if you wanted one of these pages, and you're like, yeah, Marlon, I want one of these pages. I want you to create it for me, and I want this page right here will be this button will be clickable. I just got it going back to this page right now, but I can make it go to anywhere you want it to go, right? And so with your JetPacked pages, you just tell me where you want to redirect you or what you want to say up here. You got some particular bonuses you want to, some special bonuses you want to talk about, whatever else it is that you're going to include when the person joins your team or whatever the case is. And so then they can join, but again, this won't be, let me see, can I find the actual bridge page. I think I got it, guys. It's I number them. And this is my 50 series, okay? So I'm going to go up to my 50 series, and I'm going to find that splash page real quick because it's really cool. But it's in the 50 series. And so, and that's the other cool thing. You can name them in Leads Leap so you know what they are. I always tell you guys, name your pages, right? But look, wow, look at all these pages, man. Sometimes I'm like, okay, so anyway, let me get up here. Because this, like I said, it's in the 50 series. And it's really cool. And I name them, and then I put them in a certain, like the 50s or the 60s, and I know where I got everything. And I'm taking a lot of stuff out too, guys, because I have way too much. But okay, let's go through my 50 series. So now, Okay, it's an affiliate series. Okay, so this says JetPacked. Let me show you guys this. It says JetPacked, right? Bridge page, right? So I'm going to click it, number 54, right? So the JetPacked bridge page series is a little bit different, right? Now you can see, guys, no lead capture page, right? Let me go into the real browser so you guys can see what it looks like. Okay, this is what it looks like. Very similar, right, to the other page, but nowhere to put your email address. So inside of the JetPacked series, you guys can pick up a page like this, right? $5.99. What's going to happen? You're going to give me your information. If you happen to be inside of the Digital 95 Exit Strategy and you want one of these type of pages, then you would just give me all the information. And you will tell me, where do you want this button to redirect to? I'm going to click, it's going to go to my escape plan, right? Okay? But you can make it go wherever you want it to go, right? Wherever you want that page to go, you can make it go there. And all you got to do is tell me where you want this page to link out. I will link it. You give me your information. I put all your information over here. And you can see this information is on this page. I'll leave this page in the YouTube video description so you guys can see, if you just happen to be finding how the JetPacked series is going to work. But the JetPacked series, it's a library too. And it'll be inside of the Digital 95 Exit Strategy. I'm just taking my time now, just putting everything inside. And inside of the Digital 95 Exit Strategy, you can find the affiliate programs. You can find the HBA funnel builder, the leads lead funnel builder, the things you need to start building your own list. You can find them there. You can vet all the affiliate programs. And it's a great place and a great space to be, right? Why? Because the funnel builders are not going to break you, right? You can get both, either one. Leads lead, I believe, is I think it's $21 a month, and the HBA funnel builder is $25 a month, right? And so when you have either one or both, you can go in and start doing this type of stuff. So I had to plug the HBA funnel builder because, like I said, I hardly ever talk about it, and it's just an important and integral part of my affiliate marketing business and the 9 to 5 exit strategy as anything else. I just don't talk about it because I don't use it as much. But now, guys, I'm going to be using it. I just changed my get response, some of the emails around, and so and because I know I can run a solo ad, and I know those leads are going to start just coming in just like that, instead of people trying to figure out whether or not they're going to verify their emails. And so you could just pull traffic right into your lead capture page and get that traffic onto your list and have your follow-up email campaigns set up so they're just going right out, right? And so that's going to happen. I don't know, I'm thinking about doing it today, because the date, I'm not sure, because we're so close to Thanksgiving. But I'm thinking about running another small test solo ad. By the way, guys, let me say this. Right now, inside of the Digital Exit Strategy umbrella, I'm sitting on somewhere between, I don't know, I'm going to guess and say $1,000 and $1,200, right? Firing this thing up. And the sales, they just keep coming in, guys, right? Because I'm testing things here, and I'm testing things there, and I haven't tested really big. I've been doing this for a while, not with all the programs the affiliate offers that's in there, but now all of the affiliate offers inside of the Digital 95 Exit Strategy are my favorites. So I've been running a little bit of traffic here, a little bit of traffic there, and guys, I got some of the best affiliate traffic resources right now. So now I'm testing these things out, and they're working. They're really working really well. Okay, and as we move forward, I'm going to gradually roll you guys right into exactly the flow, the actual scheme. Go over to the 9 to 5 Digital Exit Strategy. Go over to makemoneyWithMarlon.com, and then you'll see it all set up. And now I'm just trying to figure out if I want to change the order, and I'll be changing the order to some of them, but I'm going to have different pages anyway. It's an affiliate marketing machine. Okay, you'll see. Anyway, thanks for sitting in on the video, guys. I appreciate you guys. And I just want to give you guys the update about the HBA funnel builder. I will leave a link in the YouTube video description area for the HBA funnel builder. I will leave a link in the YouTube video description area for the Digital 9 to 5 Exit Strategy. Okay, you guys go in and see it and know that I'm working on it. Know that it's only going to get better, guys, okay? And I appreciate you guys sitting in on the video, and I'll see you guys on the next one, okay?